struggling to manage your money? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the basics of creating a budget step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a plan to take control of your finances and crush your financial goals. Step 1. Understand your income. First things first, know exactly how much money you're bringing in each month. This includes your salary, side hustle earnings, or any other income sources. Write it all down or enter it into a spreadsheet. Step 2. Track your expenses. You can't manage what you don't measure, right? For 1 month, record every single expense, from your rent and groceries to those sneaky coffee runs. Categorize them into essentials, like bills, and non-essentials, like entertainment. Step 3. Choose a budgeting method. One popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This method helps you prioritize your spending and stick to your financial goals. Step 4. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint and NAB, You Need a Budget, or even Google Sheets make budgeting simple and accessible. These tools can track your expenses automatically and send you alerts when you're overspending. Step 5. Set financial goals. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back, it's about building a better future. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or planning for a vacation, write down your goals and allocate money toward them each month. And finally, stay consistent. Review your budget regularly and adjust as your income or expenses change. The key to success is making budgeting a habit. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. It's about understanding your money and using it wisely. Start today and watch your financial confidence grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more personal finance tips.